Here's a style of car we get in from time to time. 2000 Cadillac Eldorado. This would be the ESC. Of course, 4.6 liter dual overhead cam V8 underneath the hood. That is a 300 horsepower V8 even. This car will move right along, but best of all, still get anywhere in the mid-20s, 25 to 28 miles per gallon going down the highway. That V8 is paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Now this particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Miles a little over 100,000. We're going to check that out exactly when we get around to the driver's side. Fire it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out the odometer at that time. Now, paint on it, of course, this car is a little over 20 years old now, so it does have its imperfections here and there. Overall, nice looking car. The hood of it, notice it, the clear, it's got a little bit more of a flat, like the clear, more of almost a satin clear than a real high gloss clear, but it does not look bad, as you can see in the video and the pictures. Now, as far as the pictures go, pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. As you can tell by looking at that front end, I mean, it's not full of a bunch of rock chips or anything up in the fascia. That's fairly clean. Like I said, you are going to find a few imperfections walking around this one. I'll kind of point them out as I go. Still riding on the stock chrome wheels. There's Toyo radial tires, and there's plenty of tread left. You can see that in the still pictures. Of course, this is the white diamond, or diamond white, you'll hear it called. That is with the neutral leather interior combination. Of course, bucket seats up front. Center console shift. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associates when you call in or email. Take a look down the passenger side on this car. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice one way down low. If you can take a peek at that right there, did notice that, but up along the belt line of it, where the rub strip is, looks pretty good there. You will have some spots like this right here where you get a little touch up. You can see that. So you can tell that car's been well taken care of, and if it's got a little blemish here and there, it's maybe been touched up or taken care of. And again, still pictures. There's probably 100 pictures of this car online. See it from top to bottom. Engine bay, interior, trunk, still pictures. Uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Be pictures of the trunk also. Lots of times you see this, sometimes this chrome here peeling. That looks good. Not real scratched up going into the trunk. A little touch-up spot there, if you can see that. I did notice one just coming around the corner here too, but again, nothing terrible considering the miles and the age of the car. Looking for a fun one to drive, no doubt these are nice classic cruisers. Very luxurious ride, comfortable car. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take one look down the driver's side, then we'll start it up, check out that engine bay. See the chrome wheels, both sides, nice shape. Get a good look from top to bottom. Alright, let's check out this interior. Now the leather's not ripped or torn. Yes, you're going to have some wrinkles, just like you will in a pair of shoes that are, worn. They start to get broke in just the way you like them, nice and soft. You're going to have that with a leather interior in a car also. Door panels, of course, power windows, memory seating, power mirrors, power locks. Some of the earlier models that had the steering wheel controls for the temperature and the fan speed. Also on this side, you're going to see volume and for a changing station. It does have steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start this up, give you the exact miles. $118,290. You can see that. Otherwise, no other indicators on. That's the seat belt. I do not have my seat belt on. Warning light. Check out the dash. Not sun-baked or cracked, anything like that. It's interior. Pretty decent shape from what you can see. Bose stereo system, AM, FM, cassette, CD. There's your climate control. This would have a dual climate control also, as you can see there. Headliner, good shape. Check out the rear seating area. It's one of those that has the carpet, or I should say the floor mats on the floor mats that are over the carpet. And I have still pictures without the black ones put in, so you can see the neutral colored floor mats and interior. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. No crazy exhaust. Pretty much a stock Eldorado ESC. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood, give you a look at the engine bay. Let's check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
It's that dual overhead cam, 32 valve, 4.6 liter V8. Recent service work that was done to this car has had the front brakes and rotors replaced, brake lines going to the rear of the car, and also the water pump. So that was just recently done. And like I said earlier, newer tires on it too. You'll be able to check out the tread depth, see what those look like in the still pictures. Here, how smooth that V8 runs underneath there. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.